Today, we got a man from my crew. He's been working really hard. He actually is turning, he's 14 and he's been working, doing school and still showing up to practice and really giving all his heart into what he loves to do. He's actually developed a few moves that are really advanced, and I'm really proud of seeing him working still on his breaking. So the outstanding student award goes to Zion Spins Candle. Everybody, make some noise. All right, where's Zion? Let's go, Zion. The next award. Yeah, let's go, Zion. The bottom. Yeah, there you go. The next award. This goes out to one of my beginners. He actually started in the WeBreakers, and he's been doing so amazing moving into the beginners, and he's been learning all the moves, learning his foundation. So this award goes to Coltrane, Ice Cold Urban. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, Coltrane. Come over here. Over here. Coltrane, over here. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Get your award, bro. Let's go. Yeah, nice. See? Woo! Let's go, Coltrane. Awesome, guys. So, this is the West LA class. I'm going to pass it on to our OC area coordinator, Ryan. Make some noise, y'all.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, for my region, first award is for the outstanding student. This guy works super hard and always has an awesome Adidas outfit from shoots to shirt, so he's always matching. Zio can stay there. Zio Valdez, winning my first outstanding student award. Thank you so much. Awesome kid. And then the second one, he's actually won an award back in the summer, but he was only a intermediate. So I think the first one to win this award twice technically, but now he wins it as a crew member. So David, thank you so much. Stand. Give it up, David, stand up. All right, wait, come on real fast. Give me one more word. And Zio. Awesome.
Alright, what's up, guys? So I am one of the Long Beach teachers, and I will be presenting the award for Outstanding Student for my beginner classes. So this student, throughout all of the session, has proven himself to be a very dedicated worker. He always comes with a positive attitude, and we can see a very bright future for him in breaking. So, the outstanding award goes to Elias Maniquis de la Cruz.
All right. Okay, so this one is actually going to Long Beach crew. If you guys don't already know me, my name is Dom. I'm the Long Beach area coordinator. So this kid has always been a hard worker. Especially this session, I saw a lot of growth, like crazy amount of growth. If you guys know in breaking, once you reach a certain level, it takes an insane amount of work to even move up a little bit. So the fact that we're already at the level that we're at and he's continuing to grow, super impressive. This kid has a really bright future. I can't wait to see him in like 5 years from now. So without further ado, the Outstanding Student Award for the Long Beach crew goes to Go Kaido. Congratulations, Go Kaido.
Hello, I'm Andrew. I'm the North LA Fire Coordinator, and I'm going to present the Outstanding Student Award for my region. A lot of thought went into this, and it was really hard. It was like a toss-up between like 3 kids to the stage. And the outstanding student for right here. And last but not least, honorary crew member. Now, I'm crying. So this person's grown a lot, and they've met the requirements that I set for this person, and they've exceeded it time and time again. And I would like to invite Ivy to the stage. Big cheers in the yellow, right there, right there. Look at that, look at that. Alright, I'm gonna hand over the mic to Brian right here.
Hey, give it up for all of our outstanding students that are receiving the award this session. They did an excellent job. Like I said, we got all of our students. We picked a select few that we really felt like were stood out this session. So, great job, all of you guys. You guys can exit the stage, left or right, whatever, after the point over there. All right, great job, you guys. Great job. Guys, we have a lot more in store for you guys. We have a final battle.